Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You are watching the MeekFro channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve these ombre jumbo locks. As you guys can see here, I have the Freetress Equal Cuban Twist hair. I have 5 packs of the OT27 and 2 longer packs of the 27 and 3 packs of the 16-inch 27. So yeah, I'm pretty much just taking the ombre hair and braiding it in. You're going to want to get an edge tamer of your choice if you decide to use an edge tamer. But I chose to do that to try out this black-owned product here from a friend of mine's. So, and it actually works pretty well. I'm really not a fan of edge tamer, but this here I would actually use because I do have a little gray hair, and this actually helps to camouflage that gray hair. So I love it. And it also keeps everything in place. Ruly hair, it'll keep the ruly hair in place. So I'm pretty much just braiding in a strip of the ombre hair. The OT27, I'm just braiding that in. I believe I did 8 locks on each side. I am tapered all the way around, you guys. My hair is short in the back and on the sides. It's shaved all the way around, so just keep that in mind. I have plenty of jumbo lock tutorials on my channel. Do check them out for me, please. So yeah, here I finished twisting. You gotta twist all the way down if you want longer locks. So we're just adding a whole piece of 27 on the end of the OT27 just to make the base of the lock longer. We're going to go back and wrap these locks once we are done. Please check out my faux lock playlist. I have loads of videos within the playlist that you could check out. So here is the trick. I mean, you guys know I've done ombre locks before on my channel, but not in a jumbo form, I don't believe. So you want to take another piece of the ombre hair, the OT27, and you want to balance it out, make sure it's very well in the middle. And then we are just wrapping one side of it across the braid. The other part of the hair is against your twist that you made, braid / twist, if I'm making sense. So we're just wrapping one side of that strand, if that makes any sense. Once you get to the very end of it, you're ended off with the blonde. So you're going to want to get a whole piece of the blonde, aka the 27, and continue that lock on down. You want to continue that process all the way down until you finish wrapping the whole braid / twist. As I said before in numerous videos of me using Cuban Twist hair by Freetress Equal, it seems more like the best hair when it comes to like gripping the braid, if that makes sense. The Cuban Twist hair is pretty good with like matting together, not to your real hair, but to the actual braid or twist that you formed, if I'm making sense. I also choose Cuban Twist hair by Freetress Equal because it gives you that nappy look, and the older the hair gets, the more amazing, in my opinion, it looks. I think you can never go wrong with a Freetress Equal or Shake and Go product when it comes to faux locks. I chose a more basic seal method for these particular locks. I just used rubber bands. I wrapped it maybe like 3 times. They're really like not noticeable. So, but I was in a rush, so I was just like, please, let's just use rubber bands and just, you know, go from there. So I am done with my hair. This did not take long at all, simply because, you know, I don't have much hair. But yeah, this is how they look. I only have 2 packs of the hair left. The OT27, 2 packs of that left. And this is the final look, you guys. I thought I would share this look with you guys really quick. Thumbs up this video for me, please, if you have not. Hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you'll know when videos like these are being uploaded. Thanks, guys, so much for watching. Comment any concerns. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Wait. I also want to show you guys how gradual and seamless these ombre locks are. You see how amazing that is. The technique helps you very well when it comes to making that seamless look. All right, bye guys.
Pretty girl, let's take over. Pretty girl, let's taking over. Pretty girl.